25th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. And this is the part you got to pay attention to. We got to contrast the emissivity of reflexive metal fibers with that of silicon carbide fibers. A and B don't. C mentions it, but D, it really digs in and tells you exactly what the emissivity of each is. 0.02 for reflective metal fibers as opposed to silicon carbide fibers, which is 0.74, and that really captures the contrast. To see the full-length video, go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center. Click on a playlist. This is find Test 3 Module 1, and number 25, the longer videos just above these shorter videos. Make sure you check out this other bulleted question and click subscribe. Have a great day.